Hey there, fellow coders! Welcome back to another episode on Code Master Quest. In today's episode, we are diving into an interesting problem related to single linked list. So let's get started and find the problem statement on LeetCode. Odd even linked list. Given the head of a single linked list, group all the nodes with odd indices together, followed by the nodes with even indices, and return the reordered list. The first node is considered odd, and the second node is even, and so on. And we should note that the relative order inside both the even and odd group should remain as it was in the input. And we must solve problem in O1 extra space complexity and ON time complexity. Right, so if we look at the example number 1, just right here, we receive a linked list with these nodes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We should find the odd indices 1, 3, and 5, and then even indices, and return this linked list, right? So let's switch back to the Visual Studio Code and try to solve this problem. First of all, let's bring the function signature from LeetCode. Come back to the browser, make a copy of the function signature and list node class definition, and change to the Visual Studio Code and paste it just right here. And maybe we can, we can try to extract the list node definition from this comments, and there we go. And we don't need the solution class here as well, so maybe we can remove the solution class, and the function signature is here. Now we can check the edge cases. We can say if the length of linked list is 0 or 1, we can return the head and do nothing, right? So let's say garb let head equal to head, and if head.next is not equal to nil, then we can return, else let's return head itself, right? Okay, this is the simple edge case for this problem. Now we need to extract the odd indices and even indices from the linked list. So let's say var odd current from type of optional list node is equal to head, and even current from type of list node again is equal to head.next. Okay, and now we should extract the odd and even indices. So let's say while even current dot next is not equal to nil. Let's try to extract the odd and even indices. So we can say odd current dot next is equal to even current dot next, and odd current should be odd current dot next, right? First of all, in the first line, we are trying to find the next odd indices by finding the next element of even current, and then we are moving one step ahead. And we should do the same thing for the even current. Even current that next is equal to odd current that next, and even current is going to be even current dot next. And at the end, we should concat these two odd and even linked list. And for this purpose, before starting making this while loop, we should keep the even starting point as well. So let's say even starting point is list node optional and is even current at the beginning. And after making this while loop, we extracted the odd and even linked list, and we should concat it together. So we can say odd current dot next is going to be even starting point, and then let's return head. And to make sure we didn't make any syntax error, let's try to run this Swift file. Swift.problem.swift. It seems we don't have any syntax error, so maybe we can try to submit our code to LeetCode. Let's come to the browser, remove this placeholder, and hit the submit button. There we go. Here's the solution for this question. Thank you, everyone.